Welcome to this video. Today, I will show you how to change the media upload quality to HD on WhatsApp for Android. This will help you send higher quality photos and videos instead of the default compressed versions. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Storage and Data. Tap on the Media Upload Quality section. You will see two options: Standard Quality, HD Quality. Select HD Quality to ensure that your photos are uploaded in HD. Then click Save. By following these steps, you can improve the quality of the photos and videos you send on WhatsApp. This is useful for preserving details in images and ensuring that videos look clearer. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials.